You can't push 3 Celtic capitals under the carpet. So when we have that moment, and this is where it's so important, all the Celtic countries together saying, this is not good enough. That whole process of independence, it opens your mind. It blows your mind. You see yourselves, you understand the country you could be. Look around you, chin up, Wales. Because you're the kind of country that can be Estonia, you can be Finland. You can join that kind of small country. And as was said earlier by Phil, it's really important for the world because small countries need small countries. We need more small countries. So anyway, I'm going to be watching and hoping and learning from you, as I hope lots of Scots will do, but all our love, all our respect to you from Scotland. There will be that day, Éirinn go brách, free Wales and Saor Alba. Thank you.